Introduction to Plumbite ERP accounting software. Login with the username and password. Here we have the option of selecting the different types of companies or the same company. We can maintain the 2-3 year accounts in one data file. We select a company and go to accounts. Here we have a home button which is used to switch over the companies which you are entering. And there is a button for master where you have company details, state codes, etc. There opening balance, you can enter opening stock or you can enter the opening ledger balance. Then we have ledger accounts. Ledger account, you can create ledgers and maintain ledger accounts. And we have group of ledger, voucher types, payroll master. Here the salary, destination, everything, deductions, etc. can be entered. Then we have the party master. Here party details are entered, new parties, Sunday debtors or creditors. And then in the master we have inventory master where you can items, unit, stock groups and unit master where the items and GST rates etc. is maintained. Then we can have account setting where invoice setting different types of invoices can be prepared. All GST columns, half page invoice, selected GST column, MRP, UAM discount column from or to address POS invoice, composition invoice. Whatever we select, that type of invoice will be generated. After all these settings, we have this one more setting, voucher setting. We want to voucher print at the time of entries, you can keep it, or else you can know is no voucher is generated, voucher generated, but it will not be available for printing. Likewise, delivery challan receipt, we can have the options. Then after this master settings, we can go for data feeding. Here, journal entry, payment receipt, everything can be entered, and payment whatever you select it, and then you can enter the receipt voucher or payment voucher. You can enter for faster entries of receipt and payments. This one more module is available. Then you come to purchase and sales entries. Here we can enter the sales and purchase entries. Select the party, which your party you are selling. Then here local sales is selected already. You want, you can change to interstate sales if the party is different. And invoice summary is automatically coming. Then you can select the item. Quantity, rate you can prefix or you can write it. Like this you can prepare the invoice. Invoice will be available for export as well as print, whatever it is. This is a composition invoice. Whichever invoice you select, it will come. And you have the also purchase similar way, service sales, service received and service done, debit note, credit note, etc. This model is there. And then we come to accounts payable and receivable. Here we can select for which party we are paying by cash or bank. You select it and then add the check number, etc. Then you select the party for whom you are paying. Then the bills, if any, they will be shown here. Against that bills, you can say the payment is done. Like that, you can do it. Similarly, for purchase and sale, both you can against bills, you can enter the entries. Then comes pre-purchase and pre-sales. If there are any items received freely from the supplier, can enter it. And if you are giving free items to the sales parties for sales, can enter it. Counter sales. Here faster entry for cash sales is available. Just simply select, enter the quantity. If you have prefixed rate, it will come. Otherwise, you can just enter the rates and select save it. Likewise, we have POS sale, barcode printing. Select the item, scan the barcode, item will come and items can be entered here. Similarly, invoice is generated. And purchases and sale both can be done with the barcode. This model is available for this thing. Purchase and sale both can be done. Similarly, now we have the payroll attendance entries. Then Salary run and salary register will be generated. Employee master and payslip printing is available. And in the reports we have trial balance. You can prepare trial balance and profit and loss account like that. Balance sheet is available. Ledger account. Here you can select the party, whichever party you want. See the statement and the records can be maintained for multiple years. Simply change the date and it will get full records for even 2 3 years as well. Likewise, the accounts can be maintained for 2 3 years, 4 years at a time continuously in the same data file. Ledger view or alter. Here you can just simply view any parties or this thing party statement and then just simply no entries for this. You just simply enter it. There will go for modification of the screen. Then you can modify any entry. Then you come for alter voucher as well as group account view or delete voucher. Any voucher wrongly prepared can be deleted by selecting the voucher. And general ledger, subledger, daybook, BRS, bank reconciliation can be done and the bank reconciliation records will be done. Sales and purchase reports. Different types of sales and purchase reports are available. Bill-wise sales as well as bill-wise purchases. You will find total amounts and party-wise sales, etc. Then we have the stock statement, wherein you will be able to get the stock statement. Likewise, you have the daily reports, daily sales, purchase rate checks, daily sales summary, and sales data wise is there. Tax invoices, reprinting of the invoices, different types of invoices can be done in this model. And then we have GST reports, GST return reports, GSTR 1 for sales, service, and GSTR 2 for sales and service. HSN summary for sales and services are available. And then you can back up the data. This entire Plumbite ERP accounting software covers billing, accounts, payroll, and inventory. The best ERP accounting software, ever easiest to use, and there is no not much difficult to learn. Very easy to use it.